Hi guys, welcome to Nell's Kitchen. Today I'll be making Father's Day lunch, but I will be making a special creamy mac and cheese for lunch today. Okay, so I have 3 cups of cooked pasta in here, 2 cups of milk, I have 2 beaten eggs, half an onion chopped, half 2 tablespoons of butter, and mixed cheese. Okay, here I have my cumin, black pepper, and a little allspice, and 2 tablespoons of flour. I'll be mixing everything together. So first of all, I'll add with my milk. I'll pour my milk. I guess today is my day because it's Father's Day today, so I have to be in the kitchen doing the Father's Day lunch. Okay, so once this is done, my onions, I'll add my onions to it. I will add my eggs. Make sure you mix everything nicely together. 1 tablespoon of mayo. I'll add my butter. And then I'll mix this together. Okay, other times I would melt out the butter, but today I didn't melt the butter out, but hopefully it will melt out when it's in the oven. Okay, now I add my balance of my seasoning. Guys, you have to season it to taste, okay? So just do it to your liking, but make sure you have enough seasoning in it so once it's done it will be tasting very yummy. And the trick about it is giving it lots of cheese. So this is mixed cheese I have here. Okay, I'll add the balance of the cheese in it. So that's it, as you can see, ready to go. So I'll be adding that, I'll be putting that in my baking pan and I'll put it in the oven. My oven is set at 375 degrees. It should stay like between 45 minutes to 1 hour in the oven. So my flour, I'll add that to it. So into my grease pan, I'll be pouring it. Okay, so I'm just going to use some sliced cheese and I will spread it above like so. Just spread a layer of cheese over it, because as I say, the trick to the mac and cheese is having lots of cheese in your mac and cheese. I'm using black diamond cheese, but you can use, as I say, any kind of cheese that suits you. Some people say you have to use a special cheese to make mac and cheese. Now I think any cheese you can afford, so because having the expensive cheese doesn't make it taste any better anyway. So So that's it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add it, put it into my oven. I will cover it with some foil. When you cover in your pie, you can't cover it too tight because you don't want the cheese to touch the foil paper. So you have to be careful how you're doing it. Okay, my oven is heated already, so I will just put it in there. And now I will set it on the timer for 45 minutes. And after 45 minutes I will get back to you with the continuation. Meanwhile, I have some pork chops in here. That will go with the mac and cheese. And I have some potato, sweet potato, baked potato shred. That's what I do it. I'll do it. That will be with the lunch later, and my salad. Okay, so I'll be back with you after 45 minutes. So guys, after 45 minutes, my mac and cheese is ready. Okay, so here you go. You have to let it cool down in order for it to settle. So this is my mac and cheese after 45 minutes. It smells wonderful. It smells delicious. So I could just imagine how it tastes. So I'll be doing this. This is my pork chops I did. And this is shredded sweet potato, baked sweet potato. I also make my own dressing, my own pesto to put over my salad. Just so. You can't have a dinner without your fresh veggies. So here you go. So this is my Father's Day dinner. Homemade juicy mac and cheese, my pork chops, my salad, and my sweet potatoes. So guys, try it at home. As I said, at the end of every video, I will put my recipe below so you could watch, try it, like, give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe to Nell's Kitchen. Thank you, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.